Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning number 120 of Surah Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ولن ترضى عنك اليهود ولا النصارى. Wow, for wow, circle your lips. Don't ever use your upper teeth to touch the lower lip to pronounce wow. This is a wrong way to pronounce it, but you have to circle your lip to pronounce wow. The makhraj, the articulation point of wow is circling your lips. And for fatha, open your jaws. Wa. Lang. For fatha, open your jaws and give ikhfa on noon. You're hiding the sound of noon. You're going towards the articulation point of ta. Walang taru. For ta, fatha, open your jaws and give tawassut on ra. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound, and we can write, yes, we can write capital T on raw. Lin Omar, Lin Omar are the 5 letters which, if these letter comes in a with sukoon, you'll give it tawassut. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Daru, daru, da is 2 counts long, and the dad is heavy. An, for ain, use your throat well, and for fatha, open your jaws, and again there is ikhfa, and this is light ikhfa. When noon sakin comes, and after that ikhfa letters come, and the letter is light, the ikhfa will be light. So your tongue will be in a normal, natural position. Ankal, and kaf is light, and for fatha, open your jaws and then attach it with lam with tawassut. In Quran, lam with sukoon comes very frequently, and it gets tawassut. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound, so make sure you give tawassut on lam. Look how we do it. Kal, this little sound which travels, which doesn't stop, is tawassut. Ankal, yeah is short, and yeah is a very soft letter. You lift your middle of your tongue towards palate, but it doesn't touch it. So it's a very soft. Yeah, who is 2 counts long. Do, for dhamma, circle your lips, and dal is short. Yahudu. Wa, again, circle your lips for wow. For fatha, open your jaws. Wa, lan. This lam is not anymore long. Yes, you can see it's a long vowel, but when it is attached with the letter coming up, then this long vowel gets dropped. Walan, give gunna on noon. There are 2 huruf gunna in Quran, noon and mim. Noon and mim. When noon and mim gets the tashdid at the top, look, when these 2 letters come with tashdid, it gets longer gunna. And gunna is keeping the sound in your nose. Walanna, na is short. Saw is heavy, and it is 2 counts long. Nasara, 2 counts long. Hatta, ha. Make sure you use your throat to say ha. Hat, and ta is a strong letter. The makhraj will be cut off right away. Hatta, ta 2 counts long. Ta, Ta is attached with ta, 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 bi, a. For kasra, make sure you give e sound, ta, ta, bi, a, and ain from your throat, and it's a short sound, millata. The problem comes when the kasra is attached with the next letter. We tend to drop the sound of kasra, so make sure you make e sound. Millata, mi, milla, la is short, ta, hum, millatahum. Qul, qaf is heavy, circle your lips for dhamma and give the wasut on lam. Qul, in, hamza is a very strong letter, give kasra and give e sound, e, in, give gunna on noon, in, and fatha is short, na, inna, hu, circle your lips, and ha is short, dallahi, dal is light, but nafs jalala, the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala here is heavy, because whenever you find fatha or dhamma before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, you make this lam of your this lam of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will get heavy. And what is the sound it will make? Law. Hudallahi. For kasra, give e sound. Hu. Circle your lips for dhamma. Well, again, wow, you have to circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws and then attach it with lam, and lam will get tawassut. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Well, who, circle your lips for dhamma. Da, 2 counts long. Well, huda, wa, la, short sound. Wa, la, e. Hamza is a very strong sound. It's not smooth. It's e, very strong, sharp sound. Wa, la, e, ni, ta. For kasra, give e sound. Ni. Make sure you make the sound and then attach it with the ta. Wala inita, nita, ba. For fatha, open your jaws. Make sure you open your jaws and then attach with the ain with tawassut. Why we are giving it tawassut, medium flow sound? Because this is part of lin amr. Lam, noon, ain, mim, ra. This is one of the letters, so we will give tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Ba, and make sure you use your throat to pronounce the ain. Ba, ta, ta is short. Ah. Hamza is a strong, sharp sound. Ah. For fatha, open your jaws, and for ha, give rakhawa. Rakhawa is a flow of sound. You have to give the sound a flow. It will go on. Wa, 4 counts long. Again, this is a very sharp sound which has to be there. It shouldn't be mushed in this wa. It's not ahum. No, it's ahwa. Is a separate sound, and it's short. Ahum. For dhamma, circle your lips and give here, what is this? It's ikhwa shafawi. Hum, ba. Again, ain will get tawassut. For fatha, open your jaws on ba and then give tawassut on ain. Ba, dalladhi. For fatha, open your jaws and attach it with lam. Dalla, la, short. The, 2 counts long. For dal, what is the makhraj of dal? And you touch the edge of your frontal 2 teeth with the tip of your tongue. Ba'da alladhi. جاء جاء. Ja is 4 counts long. A is separate sound, and it's short, and it's very sharp. A. Ja'aka. It should be very separate, and it should be heard very clearly. Ja is separate. A is separate. Ka is separate. Ja'aka. Me. Me. For kasra, give E sound. Nal. Noon. Open your jaws for fatha and attach it with lam with tawassut. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Minal. Look, I am not stopping the sound of lam very abruptly, but giving it a medium flow of sound. Medium flow. Minal. Il. Ain, use your throat very well. And for kasra, give E sound. Make sure the E should be there. And then attach with lam. With tawassut. Mi. Me. Ma. 2 counts long. La. Short. Ka. Short. Kaf is light and short. Malaka. Me. For kasra, give E sound. Minallahi. Lafz jalala. Name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will get heavy because you find what? This fatha before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. So you will make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name heavy. Minallahi. Me. For kasra, give E sound. Meow. Give E sound and then attach it with waw with gunna. This is idgham. The abbreviation of idgham is ID. Yes. This is idgham with gunna. So meow. Wa is short. Li. Again, lam is attached with ya because there is the shdid. You will give nabar on ya. When you will be attaching lam with ya, this is the point where you will give nabar, and nabar is a jump of sound. Wali. Then this ya is attached with waw. Again, there is idgham with gunna. Wali. You are keeping the sound in your nose. Be very careful to create that sound. Be wali. Wa is short. La, 2 counts long. Wala. Na, short. Sleep. Swad is heavy. And then it is 4 counts long to create that mad arid للسكون. ولي ولا نصير. And this ra will be light because you find this ya before ra. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.